If you are looking for a good true wireless earphones in the price range of around 1000 rupees, then in this video we are going to review the latest Noise Buds VS101. So this buds was launched at around 1199 rupees exclusively on Myntra. So in this video, let's see what are the good things about these earphones, what are the bad things about these earphones, and how is the call quality, everything in this video. So let's get started. So the Noise Buds VS101 comes in this grey box. So on the right side it's written as designed in India, and on the back side we can see some of the features. So first thing they have written is it has full touch controls and it has around 18 hours of play time, and it comes with an 8mm driver with IPXY waterproofing, and also these earphones are Bluetooth 5.0. So let's see what all things are there inside the box. So inside the box we can see a user manual and a warranty card, and then in the foam padding we can see the device, as well as inside that you get a Type-C cable as well as some extra ear tips. So talking about the physical overview, it comes in a matte box with the Noise logo on top and the right side, and bottom we can see the Type-C port. Now inside that we have the earbud. So this design they are calling it as Flybird design. So it's full like a glossy plastic and with rubber ear tips. It's very small in size and it fits comfortably in the ear and does not fall down, and also it doesn't protrude also. Overall the weight of this earbuds is around just 4 grams, so it's very lightweight. Now the pairing process is very simple. Just open the lid and take out the 2 earbuds, and then in your phone turn on your Bluetooth and just connect to this VS101, and that's it. So next time if you want to pair, you just open the box and take out this earbuds and it gets connected automatically. Now if you want to disconnect, you just keep them back in the box and that's it, it gets disconnected. Now it comes with Bluetooth 5.0, so its pairing is very fast and it gets a range of around 10 meters. Now talking about the charging and battery backup, initially before using make sure that you are charging it fully. So for the case to charge it takes around 2 hours, and you can also see that 4 LED indicators in front, and this case once you fully charge it you can charge the buds up to 3 times. Now the buds take around 1 to 1.5 hours to fully charge, and once the buds are fully charged you get around 4 to 5 hours of playback time when you are listening it at around 70% volume. Now talking about the sound quality, I personally am a bass head, so this earphones is not for bass heads. It is having a balanced sound. That means the bass is not too bassy and the treble is not too sharp. It's kind of a balanced audio. So if you want me to rate this audio signature, then I'll say that bass is around 3 out of 5 and mids is around 4 out of 5 and treble is around 4 out of 5. Now whom I'll recommend this earphones is for those people who are watching more of talking head videos, like more with vocals or maybe films or meetings or calls, and people who like to hear a neutral music like not so punchy bass and all. For them it is truly recommended, and those who like really bassy sound and all, it's not at all recommended. Now talking about calls and meetings, the microphone quality, we'll do a sound check and you can yourself judge what is the quality of the microphone.
So currently I am on the balcony of my house, so it's actually in a roadside. So now you can get an idea about how much good the microphones are in this Noise Buds VS101. So this is the call quality that you can expect from this buds, and you can also take a look at how much noise it is cancelling and the wind it is cancelling and all. So this is what you can expect from this earphone.
The earbuds comes with touch control. So the stem, you see the upper portion of the stem is a touch pad or touch portion. So if you double tap any of the touch portions, it's like play and pause. In case you are getting a call, you can double tap it to accept. And then if you are long pressing the left side, it will go to the previous track, and if you long press on the right side, it will go to the next track. And when you are getting a call, if you are long pressing, it will reject the call. Now if you single tap on the left side, it will be volume down. If you single tap on the right side, it's volume up. And if you triple tap left or right, you'll be able to activate voice assistant or Google Assistant or Siri. Now coming to the pros and cons of the earphones, the first and biggest advantage of this earphones is it's very cheap. It's just 1199 rupees, and for this amount you are getting a good battery backup of around 5 hours, and you are getting latest Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, and calling is very good, as well as you can get a Type-C port in this. Now the things which I did not like that much is, first thing I told you I'm a bass head, so this earphones doesn't have that much bass, so that is one thing I missed. And next thing is the case, even though it is a matte black finish, it is kind of a fingerprint magnet. So you can see I just took it 2-3 times after cleaning, and again I can see some fingerprints attached to it. And third thing is about the touch controls. The touch controls are very good. There is nothing to complain about it. But only thing is, since the stem is very small, while you are adjusting your ear tips and all, at times you might accidentally touch on that touch area, and you will accidentally skip or go to the tracks or volume up and down. So it will take some time to get adjusted to it. If you want to purchase this product, then I'll leave a link in the description below, and if you end up liking this video, then do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new video. Until next time, bye bye.